In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate discount percentage in Excel. We'll walk through a simple example so you can reuse the same approach for any price or invoice. Start by opening Excel and putting two numbers on your sheet, the original price and the discounted price you actually paid. In our example, the original price is $100 and the discounted price is $70. You can place the original price in cell A2 and the discounted price in cell B2. But any cells will work as long as you reference them correctly in the formula. First, let's find what portion of the original price you paid. In a blank cell, type in equal sign and divide the discounted price by the original price. Using our cell locations, that would be equals B2/A2. Excel will return 187, which represents 70 hundredths. Format that result as a percentage so it displays as 70%. You can do that from the Home tab with the percent style button or by opening Format Cells and choosing percentage. Remember, Excel stores the value as a decimal. The percentage format simply displays it as a percentage for easier reading. This step answers the question, how much is 70 out of 100? Now, to get the discount percentage, subtract that percentage from 100%. The cleanest way to do this in Excel is to subtract your earlier fraction from 1. In a new cell, type Apple 1 B2/A2 and press enter. You'll see 0.3. Change the format to percentage and it becomes 30%. That 30% is the discount. It's the part of the original price that was taken off. Here, 1 represents 100% of the original price and 0.7 represents the portion you paid. So 1 minus 0.7 gives the portion discounted. From here, you can change the numbers to anything you need, and Excel will update the discount automatically. If your original price goes in A2 and your discounted price goes in B2, you won't need to touch the formula again. Just replace the values. If you see a long decimal, apply percentage format or reduce decimal places for a clean display. If you're working with a list, put the formula in the first row and drag the fill handle down to calculate the discount percentage for each item. If you ever get an error, check that the original price isn't 0 and that both entries are numeric values. That's all there is to it. Calculate the fraction you paid, then do 1 minus that fraction to get the discount percentage. With a couple of formulas and proper formatting, you'll have a clear discount calculation you can trust across lists, receipts, or full price catalogs.